Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Uba polling do ubalalong unong Ïalam ka UDP bat umentri ka sorkar jela hakalai phui terik ukala lingkot arajar arpsan ulaong ba hapo ka Ïalam balai Snem Shiteng jong ka UDP ya ka Executive Committee Khadc Hills Autonomous District Council kilalong Kiba job. Habakran sikilat patay kubor uba polling do ulaay nuksa daka bakdaw baka isi balay Ïalam daka UDP kala banwanra yakaan senayeng ne ka building bylaw hapo ka jingped jong ka KHADC kabala penmentoy hadu kata ya kisnong kibahab hapo ka schedule area.
As far as our achievement is concerned, I will not say my achievements, but the achievements of the UDP-led EC have been tremendous. For instance, it was our EC that brought the building bylaws under the fold of the district council of the KHADC. Prior to that, all applications for any buildings were dealt with by NUDA. Today we have a building regulatory authority which has to a huge extent contributed to the revenue of the district council. It was also during our tenure that we had facilitated a large number of people seeking house loans. It was through our initiative that we had recommended for their access to credit, and today we have roughly about 500 applicants who have been able to access banking facilities through certificates issued by the KHADC. So the achievements have been tremendous, but we will certainly come up with an exhaustive list of our achievements as we get closer to the elections. But where the other parties are concerned, all I can say is that we walk the talk. We believe in going for and pushing our agenda through concrete action. We do not believe that addressing big gatherings and inciting and the crowd and appealing to their based nature as a crowd rabble rousing. We do not believe in that. We believe in having a tangible, achievable agenda which can then result in actions which are visible on the ground.
Kapor kaladay bapinjit yaki MDC jongpi syaka Khadc Hills Autonomous District Council bat ka Giant Hills Autonomous District Council. Ayu kinle lada ki job ke ei katong ka bagidon ki ei kiman ki bakongsan ki bagibu hakman kita kide ki jingkeli ki bafidon kam man yo ya ka jubab haswa bapin lek ban tap ya ka vote jongpi haka arpwoi tarik urampang arajar arpsa baik ya ka program markman pat ki kertong